So to do activity 3 on page 314, we need to open the spreadsheet results dog show and the Word document result letter dog owners. So I have that Word document open and I have the spreadsheet open. You'll see that this is set to 85 and we need to change it to 75. So the first thing we have to do is copy the chart in the spreadsheet to an open space in the Word document. So I'm going to copy my chart, click on it, right click, copy. I'm going to open my Word document, find an open space, and this is the part where you need to work carefully. We are going to use the paste special option to do this so that we can link our documents together. It's going to ask me how to do it. I'm going to choose a paste a link and I'm going to use Microsoft Excel chart object. And then I'm going to say OK. When I go back to my Excel document and I change this to 75, you'll see my graph will change to 75 as well. And if I go to my Word document and I right click, update link, I have 75. That's all you have to do.